Great. So good morning, everyone. Welcome to our first webinar. And we'll keep doing these kind of information related webinar going forward as well. First of all, I would like to welcome our honorary principal, Dr. Gaikwad, who has given us this opportunity of KTHM College under the Maratha Vidya Prasarak Samaj. So thank you very much, sir, for giving this opportunity. And we feel grateful trying to do our best to educate the students from literacy, financial literacy point of view. So let's quickly start. Before we start, I will just give you a background of who we are, what we do, and what's my experience into the stock market. And then we will also chalk out what we are going to focus on the today's session. How will be the flow? What will be the key takeaway? So when you sit for today's session, my only agenda is to make you realize that the stock market is not a gambling place, and you can make a big use of stock market to create another sound income going down maybe 10, 20, 30 years down the line if we start investing on the smaller front. So let's start. We'll just wait for a minute for a couple of people to join in. So let's start. Kindly check if you can see my screen, and you should be able to hear me. I think audio is fine, video is fine, and as well as the screen which has been shared, is it visible or not? Now, during the course of the webinar, you can keep posting your questions in the chat box, and we will take all the questions once we are finished with the webinar, right? So, and also we'll try to make this webinar interactive session rather than one way where I'm just trying to speak and you are just trying to understand what I'm trying to basically give information about. So let's quickly start. I think now you can see my screen, and on the screen you can see NSE website. So we are a trading campus, and we are knowledge partner with NSE Academy. Along with NSE Academy, we have launched various certification programs. These are particularly curated programs under Trading Campus umbrella. The reason is we focus more on, rather than giving a bookish knowledge or a theory knowledge, we want to go a little bit ahead and give you practical knowledge. So we tied up with NSE, and we have launched a plethora of certification programs which is more practical oriented. So today's webinar also, you will understand, I will try to make you understand from practical standpoint how you need to view stock market. And I can say, if you are very much focused on stock market, you can also change the viewpoint of your parents or your relatives, your cousins, your friends, unless and until you do not know or you do not have the right approach towards stock market. So that's about NSE and our tie-up. Myself, let me introduce. I am Ronak Mundra. I have done my master's in financial engineering from America, and after that I worked over there for 7 years, and I'm back to India. I started my own firm, which we do more or less about algo trading, and we almost trade 5% of NSE volume daily. So that's the work part. 3 years from now, I started that. I found there was a huge gap between the education and the practical world in the financial domain, and I have taken up as an opportunity and as well as my calling, so to say, that I need to dedicate another 15-20 years to make people understand why stock market is important for them and how you can make passive income, passive and huge income through stock market. So from last 3 years, we started this flagship program, Trading Campus, along with NSE, and we have rolled out. We have trained more or less around 5,000 plus students, And we have also done various tie-ups across colleges, and we keep doing this webinar not to just get tie-up, but also to educate pan-India, all the students and the community who want to participate in financial freedom. So that's about me. Let's start with our today's session, where I'm more interested. As I said, we will try to make this interactive session so that both of us can basically understand how the markets are. And as I said, if you have any question, keep posting them in the chat box. And even at the end, we'll keep some time aside where we can take all your questions after the webinar. So now to start with, what are we going to achieve in this webinar is also very, very important, because once we know our complete understanding, what we are trying to focus on, then only we can know what is our end goal. So the first point, when you talk about stock market, okay, we are very clear that there are different form of investment opportunities. So you would have heard that you can invest in gold, you can buy gold, you can buy home, that is your real estate. Then you also have investments via mutual funds. Now, initially mutual funds were not that popular, but now because of last 10-20 years, all the SEBI and financial institutions are pushing mutual fund product. This is one way to invest in stock market. And the last one is equity investment. Now, what is equity investment? It is pretty much similar to point number 3, which is mutual funds. Now, equity investment is where you will select your own stocks and you will invest in those stocks. So that is little difficult compared to step number 3. Step number is 3 is very simple, investing in stock market. Now, let's understand out of these 4, if you, let's say, talk to your relatives or cousins or friends or even parents, they will always say gold is the safest option. And the second option after gold, which is safest, is let's invest in gold and then invest in real estate because you need a house of your own. Seldomly we see people focusing on step number 3 or step number 4. So moment you say stock market, they start running away. The reason why they run away, because there are two things which happen with them. First, either your parent, your relative, your cousin has lost money in stock market. Now, if he has lost money in stock market, then he would never say to others that you should invest in stock market. Okay, that's number 1. And number 2, that he has heard that other people have lost money in stock market, right? And that's why people tend to go away from stock market, and they are very clear that it's not the place for me. I want to save all my savings into the FDs or in gold, and that's more than enough. I don't want to get into stock market. So today we'll try to explain that conundrum as to why you should invest in stock market and what is there in stock market and stuff like that. Now, stock market is not simple. I'm not saying that tomorrow onwards you come over here, you will start making money, you will make huge money, but you need to understand when and how we can make huge money. Okay, so that's also very, very important, when and how to make huge money. So in stock market, there are 2 kinds of people. Okay, one kind of people is called as traders, or they are doing trading, and the other part of people who are investing in stock market. So trading and investing are 2 important aspects in stock market. Now, those who are doing trading in stock market, it's very difficult to earn money, because when you do trading in stock market, you have to be very, very clear how you're trying to approach to trading. So I can tell you, majority of people has lost money in stock market is because they came in with a viewpoint that today I will invest in stock market, let's say 50,000 rupees, 1 lakh rupees, and it will become 10 lakh rupees, 3 lakh rupees, 5 lakh rupees in 2 years, 3 years, 5 years, and stuff like that. That does not happen. Okay, and that's why many people lose money, because they do trading rather than investing. So we'll understand what is trading and what is investing. So to understand trading, as I said, it's very difficult to earn money through trading, but huge amount of money can be made via trading, provided that you have the correct direction. And you also need to be very, very focused in trading. So trading is like you're trying to play cricket, like T20 match, and investing is like test series, which goes on for 5 days. And T20 match does not even go more than 5 hours. There's a huge difference between 5 hours and 5 days. And the mental strength of doing the work for 5 years or 5 days and versus 5 hours are completely different. So trading is a different ball game. Investing is a different ball game. So I will try to give you viewpoint on both of them as to what is trading and what is investing. Trading is basically a way to earn money, or you can get cash flow, right? So I keep, let's say I earn in a given month 5,000, 10,000, 20,000. I keep making 20, 25,000 or so. That is basically called as cash flow. Like how I do a job and I keep getting cash flow into my account. So trading is known for cash flow, right? So you can get the cash flow. And now what is investing? Investing is called as wealth creation. Okay, so investing is creating wealth. Trading is getting cash flow. Okay, so there are two things. Trading is cash flow and investing is you are accumulating wealth or getting wealth over a period of time. Now people say that trading is difficult, investing is very simple. It's not true. Okay, those people who do trading who are successful is only 5%. The success rate is only 5%. Same way, if you're doing investing, everybody does not make huge amount of money in investing. So everybody is not Rakesh Jhunjhunwala. Everybody is not Ramdev Agarwal. Those are the guys who have made huge money in stock market. So they are also 5% of the entire Janta. So what you need to understand, the success rate in trading and success rate in investing is more or less same, right? It's basically 5% in each of them. Now, why people find trading difficult compared to investing? Because trading, you come to know by 3:30 when the market closes, what is your loss and what is your profit. But in investing, you invest money and then you forget, right? You will come to know you have made money or lost money after 1 year, after 2 years, after 3 years. So what's happening over there? It is a long-term process where you come to know whether you have made actually good amount of money or not. So investing is a slow game and trading is a fast game. And again, I said both are required if you are in the finance domain. And if you're not in finance domain, let's say I'm a doctor or I'm an engineer and I'm not related to finance at all, then investing is the best medicine for them. Okay, so then they need to focus on investing. But if you want to create a career in stock market, you need to have both the facets very clear. What is trading, what is investing? Try to educate yourself on both the aspects and then decide what is good for you. Okay, give 1 year, 2 years to both of them. Try to understand what they are in more detail and then define, okay, fine, I think trading is not for me. I have to become a good investor. I have to become a good analyst. Or some people get a knack of trading and they can start creating cash flow, 50,000 rupees, 1 lakh rupees after 1 year, 2 years of rigorous practice. So it is each to its own. You need to understand whether you want to focus on trading or investing. So these are two facets of stock market, trading versus investing. Now, our second part of session will be on the investing side. Initially, the first 15 minutes, I will explain trading, and more than that, I will also make you understand how does the stock market move. Because unless we do not understand the bigger picture, we'll never understand the importance of trading and neither importance of investing. So first, let me take you to the journey of stock market, and which is also fantastic. Because when we take stock market, and here if you see, I will open Nifty. So Nifty is the index, as many of you all know, Sensex or Nifty, they are the index, they represent our stock market. So if I see the journey of our stock market, okay, so right over here, it was around here, we can say 200, 300, or somewhere here, we can say it was 1000. Okay, so on the right hand side, you can see the number, and I'm trying to just point out here, you can see it is 1200 or 1000. Now in 92, I think now everybody has heard or may have seen also the web series which came, Harshad Mehta Scam. That was in the period of 92, exactly where I'm pointing out over here. You can see the timeline on the bottom side and you can see the price on the right hand side. So 92 was that Harshad Mehta scam. And from 92, if you see, it was at 1000. Okay, so Nifty was at 1000. And if you come all the way along, today Nifty is at 16,000. So 1000 becoming 16,000. What does this mean? So if I have invested 1 lakh rupees over here, it becomes 16 lakh rupees today. Okay, so if I invest 1 lakh over here, so in simple sense, if I invest 1 lakh over here, it has become 16 lakh today. So that's huge. Okay, so if you keep putting like 5,000, 2,000, 3,000, 10,000 also along the journey also, eventually if you see, you're reaching to the top. So you'll make a lot of money as the market keeps progressing. Now there is another point to it. If it is so simple, why everybody is not making money? Correct? If you see, the market has gone from 1,000 to 16,000. So it is so simple. Why is not everybody making money? And second, why are people afraid of stock market? Now, why are people afraid? I'll tell you. What we are seeing over here is a straight line. So it is starting from 1,000 and it has gone all the way over here to 16,000. This I have drawn is a straight line, but actually market does not work in this fashion. So how does market work? Market first goes from 1,000, if you see over here. So now I'll go a little bit in detail. Okay, so let's go over here. How does the market has moved 10-year perspective? So 92, we are trying to see from 92 onwards over here, how the market has moved in the first phase. So if you see over here, 92 to 2000. Okay, so 92 was over here, it went down. So market first goes up. So this is like 1,000. It first went down to 600 or 500. So market went down. Then again it went to 1,000. Then again it went down. And it kept going sideways. And if you see now, again market went to 1,000, around 1,600 or so. And again market went down. So what is happening over here? It is not moving in a straight line. So that's the most important part, that it is not moving in the straight line. So it does zigzag. Okay, what do you think zigzag means? Zigzag means it goes up and down, up and down. Okay, and because of this up and down, people are afraid. Because your 1,000 rupees, if you have invested 1 lakh rupees, it has become 50 lakh. From 1 lakh rupees, it has become 50,000 rupees. Again, from 50,000 rupees, it has become 1 lakh rupees. Again, 1 lakh rupees has become 50,000 rupees. So what's happening over here? My investment amount goes up, comes down, goes up, comes down. That is called volatility. So people who are investing in FD, what happens over here? If you invest at step 1, first year, then second year, third year, fourth year, fifth year, your amount will increase in FD. Okay, because there is no gyrations. But in stock market, there are gyrations. But this, if you are seeing over here in a shorter span of time, right? Here, what I'm seeing over here is in a shorter span of time. But if I go over here and I say that, if you see from longer span of time, there are gyrations. But apart from this gyrations, we can clearly see that market keeps going higher, comes back down, goes 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 higher. What will happen next? Comes back down, again it will go higher. So ultimately it is going up. The only problem that stock market is doing over here is playing with our mind, going up and down, up and down, up and down, up and down, and so on. And if it does up and down, up and down, up and down, we lose our sleep. Okay, if you invest 1 lakh rupees, it becomes 50,000 rupees. Oh my God, I should have not invested in stock market. But we do not understand the nature of market is like this. It goes up, down, up, down, up, down. Now what trading will help you, right? Investing we will take in the second part. How will trading help you? Trading will help you to understand the flow of the market. The market is going up, how much it can come down. And again, can it go up or not? Is it going up or not? Again, how much it can come down? Again, it is going up or not? Again, how much it can come down? So trading helps you to understand the gauge of volatility. Volatility will go up, down, up, down, up, down. And trading is the way to comprehend or understand. So even if you are an investor, but knowing concepts of trading are very important because you know the nitty-gritty of how markets move. And when you are very much prepared how markets move, you do not have to worry on the long-term goal, which is there. So for example, if Virat Kohli or Sachin Tendulkar wants to become the first #1 batsman in the world, what they have to focus on is keep on doing practice from day 1 to the end of their career. They have to practice, 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 practice. That's the only way out. And what they do during the course of their journey, they try to improve and understand the game much better. They try to improve their technique, and that's where the trading comes into picture. So trading helps you to understand the gyrations. Okay, and investing is sound and simple. Invest in good quality companies, and over a period of time, you will make a lot of money. How can you be more lucrative in investing? That also we will try to understand, but that's where in trading and investing becomes a good combo pack when you are trying to come into stock market. So let me give you a bigger picture how markets normally move. So if you actually see, let's say in 2000 or so, right? So this was 2000 where market was around 1,000 again, and it went from 1000. If I see over here, from 2000, the market, here it is, from 2000 or so, market went straight in 2007 to 6000. So that means if you are over here, let's say 1500 or so. So if I'll just circle it around. So if you're over here at 1600 or so, what has happened over here at 1600? If you have invested your money over here, let's say I've invested 1 lakh rupees, this 1600 became almost 5000, 6000 or so, right? So 1500 almost became 6000 or so. That means 4 times, right? 1500, 15 4 is 60, so 6000. So if I see my journey over here, 1 lakh can become 4 lakh. Okay, so my 1 lakh has become 4 lakh. Now let's see, this is what you will understand. If I say I've invested 1 lakh over here, so I'll put 1. So 1 would basically be 1 lakh. Okay, so 1 lakh I've invested over here. Over here at this point, if you see now, it has become 4 lakh. Now, why it has become 4 lakh? Because we can clearly see that 1500, which was index, has become 4 times, which is 6000. So it has become 4 lakh. So 1 lakh became 4 lakh. Now let us understand, which was 6000 over here came down to 3000. So 6000 came down to 3000 means how much is the fall? 50%. So my 4 lakh rupees, what we see now over here, has become 2 lakh rupees once again. Am I correct or not? Right? So I invested 1 lakh, it became 4 lakh. Then suddenly a big downside came, or called as crash, and my 4 lakh became 2 lakh. But eventually, if you see, 1 lakh has become 2 lakh. It has not come back to 1 lakh, but it is 2 lakh. At least 4 has now become 2 lakh. Now, most important part over here is, from this juncture, once again, okay, it comes back to the same point. That means my 2 lakh has again come back to 4 lakh. Correct? It has become the same point. So it is 4 lakh right over here. So we are back to 4 lakh. So loss was there and again it became 4 lakh. Now a little bit of downside came, again it came over here. So this is, everything is around 4 lakh. So my value is still at 4 lakh. Now what happens from here onwards, the market starts going higher. So now 6000, if you see over here, has almost, from this zone, if I again mark from 6000 zone, which is somewhere over here, has now gone to 12,000 zone. So 6000 has become 12,000. What does this mean? It has doubled. So what has happened over here? The 4 lakh which was available at this point, at this point, at this point. So we have 4 lakh over here. Suddenly now becomes how much? Double of 4 lakh becomes 8 lakh. So what do we see over here is 8 lakh right at this point. So what I'm trying to make you understand that markets will not give you 1 lakh, 4 lakh and 8 lakh. First, to reach from 1 lakh to 8 lakh, what market did? 1 to 4, 4 to 2, 2 to 4 and 4. And then in between it went to 6 or something. Okay. And then 6 again came down. If you actually see over here also, the 6 which is there. So 4 became 6, for example. And after the 6 also it came down. It became 5 over here. And then 5 became 8 over here. But eventually, if you see the journey, 1 lakh is becoming 8 lakh. Now, where is the problem? The problem, one problem that we have understood from market is gyration, means it goes up and down, and it volatility, which is there, which kills an investor because he's not used to this kind of movement. Second important point, which people fail to understand. Let's say I put my 1 lakh rupees over here. When market was rising at the top, I put 1 lakh rupees. Now that 1 lakh rupees, which is at 6,000. Now I'll take second person number 2, and person number 2 is investing 1 lakh rupees at the top of the market. So I'll just put it in a different color. So we know this is person number 2. Okay. So he's putting 1 lakh rupees. You have put over here. So 1 lakh has become 4 lakh, but he's putting for the first time 1 lakh rupees over here. So 1 lakh he's putting over here has gone down, has come back to 1 lakh again over here. So I can put this again as 1 lakh. Okay, so we'll put this as 1 lakh again. It goes down again, it comes over here, which is again 1 lakh. right? So here again, we say that it has become 1 lakh. Now what has happened next is very interesting. This 1 lakh, before it is coming back to 1 lakh, it went down 50%. 4 became 2, so 1 became 50,000. And after becoming 50,000, it again became 1 lakh, again became 1 lakh. And this 1 lakh, now it's going up and doubling over here. So 6,000 becoming 12,000. That means this 1 lakh which is there is now becoming 2 lakh. Okay, so what has happened over here? It has become 2 lakh right over here. So 1 lakh finally becomes 2 lakh over here. Okay, and the problem here is one has completed or doubled 2 years. He invested 1 lakh in 2008 or 7, and it became double in 2018. More or less, you can say 7 to 9 years over here. And if you put an FD also, it becomes 1 to 2 lakh. So it doubles in almost 7 to 8 years or 10 years in FD as well. So what's happening over here? Those who went and invested in stock market at the wrong time, they had to see the loss, came back, and then finally doubled its money. And it took a lot of time, almost 7, 8 years for getting this money getting doubled. So the problem with investors are they come at the top, they never come at the bottom. Okay, so one of the favorite quotes of Warren Buffett is, when everybody wants to invest in stock market, you should not invest. When nobody wants to invest in stock market, you should invest. Again, I'll repeat. When everybody, your relative, your friend, your cousins, anyone whom you are in contact with, they say that I am investing in stock market, I made so much of money, I'm putting more money. That means the market is at the top, market will come down. And when everybody says don't invest in stock market, don't invest in stock market, that is the point where you have to invest in stock market. So I'll give you the most recent example and you will be able to relate to that. Tell me, this was the COVID fall. Okay, so market was at 12,000, it became 8,000, 7,000 or so. When the COVID fall happened, okay, so when there was a big crash in the market because of the COVID crisis, if you would have asked anyone, I want to invest in stock market, what would be the answer? He will say, no, you should not invest in stock market. So when you ask 10 people and they all are saying, don't invest in stock market, what we have to do? Invest in stock market. So one of the simple and logical way of understanding market is when everybody says, do not invest in stock market. That is the first point that you have to invest heavily in stock market. So you need to be bullish when nobody is bullish. So when people are bearish, we have to be bullish. And now if you see market is making new high, market is at all-time high, 16,000, it is going higher. Now everybody wants to invest in stock market. If everybody wants to be investing in stock market, now what happens? Now nobody wants to make FD because you are getting 4% after tax, you may get 3.5% or so. So even those who are 55 years of age, 60 years of age, 65 years of age, they are breaking their FD and they are putting into stock market. So when everybody is flocking into stock market, if you talk to now your relatives, your cousins, your friends, your parents, everybody wants to invest in stock market. That means we need to be cautious. We will not invest in stock market. So when should we invest in stock market? If you want to make big money in stock market, you should invest when nobody wants to invest. Okay. So when you ask 10 people and all 10 people say, so at the bottom when coronavirus was there, market went down all the way. And at that point, if you would have asked people, 10 people, 20 people, 30 people, all of them would have told you one simple thing: do not invest in stock market. If they all are saying do not invest in stock market, that means you have to invest in stock market. Okay. So things become very simple if you do opposite. Okay. If people are saying don't invest, you should invest. And right now people are saying invest in stock market, invest in stock market. What do you need to do? Don't invest. Or if you want to invest also, let's say I have 1 lakh rupees, I will invest 20,000 rupees, not 1 lakh. Okay. But when there was corona crisis, everybody was saying don't invest, don't invest, don't invest. If I have 1 lakh rupees, I will put that 1 lakh rupees straight away into the market. That's number one. Number two, I will beg, borrow, please do not steal, but I will beg, borrow, and I will put another 1 lakh rupees when other people are saying do not invest in stock market. So simple mantra to understand how the markets move. Okay. Markets do not move in a straight line. They keep going up, down, up, down, up, down. And the downside is more than the upside. upside does come. If you try to see now over here, over a period of time from 2000, 2003 or 5 to 2022, that is like 20 years. If you see that 1 lakh, no doubt has become 8 lakh. And now this 8 lakh has almost become like 12 lakh over here. So 1 lakh has become 12 lakhs, or you can say 1 lakh has become 10 lakhs at the top. So you do get, if you put 5 lakh, it can become 50 lakh. You keep putting small amounts also. If you put 10 lakh over a period of time, it can easily become 50 lakh, 1 crore rupees in the market. The point here is to understand that when nobody tells you, when everybody says do not invest in stock market, that is the right time to invest in stock market. Okay, so this will be funny exercise. Right now, what you should do after the webinar, today is Sunday, call up all your cousins, your family members, your relatives, whoever are related to stock market, somewhere or the other, or they are investing in mutual funds or whatever they are doing. Ask them, what do you think about the market? And just tell them, I have my FD of 10 lakh rupees or 5 lakh rupees or 1 lakh rupees. Should I invest in stock market or not? I can tell you, there are 10 people whom you will call. They all will say invest in stock market. Okay, if they all are saying invest in stock market, that means you have to be cautious. If I have 1 lakh, I will invest 1/5 of that, maybe 1/3 of that. So out of 1 lakh, I will invest 20,000, 25,000 right now. And when say everybody says do not invest, that's the point. I will go and invest my entire 1 lakh rupees, plus I will beg and borrow another 1 lakh rupees, and I will invest more. Okay, so that's the journey of stock market. If you want to understand stock market, this is how simple it is. You do not require any education to make money in stock market. And the best part of stock market is stock market does not see how much degrees you have, how much certifications you have. It only understands whether you are able to understand the perception of stock market. So the simple way I'll tell you, which nobody would try to tell you this, is try to ask 10, 20 people, keep asking them when markets crash. Okay, when the headlines in the news, television, newspaper, digital or print media, everybody it is saying, everywhere it is saying big crash in stock market. That time go and ask all people around you. If they all say do not invest, that's the right time to invest. Okay, and that is the only way to make huge money in stock market. So for example, I will give you now how I would approach to investing. Okay, let's say I have not invested over here, or let's say we put 1 lakh. If I have invested over here, now you will see a complete different output that you can get if you are very much focused on what you're trying to do. And that's what we are trying to educate on. So 1 lakh I invested. So over here it became 4 lakh. So I was very happy. Okay, so let's not count how much it becomes. What I will do now here is, so 1 lakh over here becomes X amount. Okay, now what I do, which is very important or interesting to understand, that comes down. So this was the biggest fall in stock market in 2008. Big crash took place. So I decided, when I go out and ask people, they are all saying do not invest, do not invest. Then I will put another 1 lakh rupees over here. So when everybody is saying do not invest, again I will put 1 lakh over here. So 1 lakh here, everybody is saying do not invest, again 1 lakh over here. Market goes up. Okay, goes up over here, goes up over here. Another corona crisis comes in. No, everybody says do not invest over here. What will I do? 1 lakh, 1 lakh, I'll put more, because over a period of time I would have good amount of money. Okay, this I'm saying 1 lakh everybody can have. Even a person who's starting a new job, 15,000 rupees, he can accumulate 1 lakh rupees in 1 year. So 1 lakh is not a bigger deal for anybody. Okay, 10,000 rupees into 12 is 1 lakh rupees. Okay, so that he can earn. Now here, when big corona crisis came, now over a period of time, obviously my earnings will increase. So I want to put now more money. So I'll put 3 lakh rupees over here, for example. So what have I done? 1 lakh, 2 lakh, and 3 is called as 5 lakh. So I've invested now 5 lakh. My end goal is not here. My end goal is very, very far. I am ready to wait for another 30 years. But even over here, so 1 lakh, 2 lakh, 3 lakh becoming 5 lakh over here, I can tell you that, first of all, this 1 lakh, if you now see, which is at 3,000 becoming almost 15,000 or 16,000. So first 1 lakh has become 5 lakh over here. So this 1 lakh I'm talking about has become 5 lakh over here. So what I'll put over here is, this is one number, 5 lakh. and I will join, this 1 lakh has become 5 lakh right now. Okay. Then I invested more 1 lakh over here, which was around 4,000, which has now become 16,000. So 4 times I can say that again, this 1 lakh, which I've invested over here also has become how much over here. So I can say, okay, fine. This 1 lakh has gone to 16,000. So I can say it has now become 4 lakh over here. Okay. So we can see this 4 times 4, 4s are 16, 4 lakh over here. Now I invested over here, which is 8,000, 3 lakh rupees. How much this guy has gone up? So 6,000, 8,000 becoming 16,000. That means it has doubled over here. So I can say this 3 lakh which I invested has now become over here 6 lakh rupees. Very simple to understand. And what I'm trying to make you understand is the power of how much money can be made. So here, almost if you see, if I combine all of them over a period of 15 to 20 years, okay, I'm just counting 20 years, we have 6 and 4, 10, 15 lakh rupees total. And how much you have invested? 3, 1 and 2, total 5 lakh rupees. So what has happened over here? 5 lakh has become 15 lakh rupees. Okay. So how to invest, when to invest? No, it's very simple. When there is a big crash in the market, and how will I come to know when there is a big crash? Do not worry. All your friends will say, I invested in market, I've lost huge money. Very good. So you should not smile on their face, but you should say internally, very good. Now it has given me an amazing opportunity. I need to encash. I need to grab it with both my hands. And that is the time when the media is saying market crash has happened, when all your relatives, friends, cousin, everyone around you is saying, do not invest in stock market. That's the time to invest. And these points were those points when everybody said, do not invest in stock market. So even by doing simple exercise, just talking to people, being social, you can understand, should I invest in stock market or not? Okay. So this, the interesting, those who are interested more on the quantitative part, it cannot be made more simpler than this, but agenda is over a period of 15 to 20 years, you can convert even like 3 lakh rupees, 5 lakh rupees, 10 lakh rupees to 50, 60 or 1 crore rupees. Please understand, a small amount of 3 lakh, 5 lakh can also get converted into 1 crore, but you have to wait for 20 to 30 years. So if you are so young, you are now 20, 25 years of age, please understand, remember a long-term goal. If you have 25 years of runway, we call it as runway. So if I focus for 25 years, then my goal is to become the best performer, or you can say the best sports person or a batsman in the world. They keep doing or waiting for that end goal. So all I'm trying to tell you is keep putting money into the market. Do not see, just keep putting money into the market. Whenever people say do not put, you keep putting into the market. And if you keep putting into the market, do not see the market. When it reaches 25 years, then you see the market. You will have minimum, I'm telling you, whatever amount you will invest. Let's say if you invest 5 lakh rupees in matter of 25 years from now. So from now till 50 years, if you keep putting money into the market, only when people are saying do not invest. So you need to be also right when to put in the market. When everybody is against the market, I will put into the market. And I keep doing this for 25 years. Please understand, you can make 10 to 20 times money very easily. So your 10 lakh rupees can become 2 crore rupees, 1.5 crore rupees very easily. You do not even have to put any brain. You do not require any certification, higher education and all that stuff. This is like basic knowledge which you need to keep it in your mind and you have to focus on that. So the chart that I'm showing over here of Nifty is basically the nitty-gritties of trading part, or you can say how the markets move up and down and when should we invest, when should we not invest. In general, I can tell you that whenever market goes from the top almost down by 30 to 40 to 50%. So if you see over here, market went down 50%. So 6,000 became 3,000. Okay, that is why it became 50% down. You should invest in the market. If you come back to the Corona crisis over here also, it went down almost again 40%. So 40 to 50% is the point where you should invest in stock market. So whenever market drops, okay, 30, 40, 50% down, you should invest in stock market. Now, That is the technical way to look at it. Now, let's say if market is at 16,000, suddenly a new wave of corona comes, or let's say US market goes down, something happens in the world and our market also falls. Okay. If I tell you that in next 1 year, let's say market has gone down 30% from 16,000 to 11,000, what will you do? Invest in stock market. So we are investing when markets are going down, not when markets are going up. So we are investing heavily when markets are going down. Okay, and that's where things will go in your favor. So that's the technical viewpoint or the trading viewpoint or the trading mindset that you require. But I am telling you, even as a student, okay, even we are student, we are also learning from the stock market, because we never saw corona crisis ever in last 100 years. There was no corona crisis. There was a swine flu which happened like 100 years ago, but that was never related to the current scenarios which were there. So idea, what we have to understand, market will remain same. Okay, things will not keep moving up in one direction. They have to fall, and when they fall and when people are against the market, that is the time you have to go and invest in the market. So I hope that message is very clear. Do not fear the market. Okay, focus on downside and invest heavily into market. Now coming to the second part of our webinar, which is investing, which is much more simpler, but you have to understand how the backdrop or how does the market move. So that is what I gave you, the backdrop of stock market. Now let's go to a simpler version. In that, knowing the backdrop, I want to now understand how to invest in stock market. So the second part is more interesting because it is investing and it's not very, very difficult to do. It's very easy. So I hope you can see my screen. So we are now focusing on wealth creation. Okay. Now why it is very simple, because what we have to do in wealth creation, why we require wealth creation, and what we need to focus on wealth creation is very, very important. So I'll first tell you why wealth creation is needed. Now, some people would say, yeah, I do not want to keep working in 9 to 5 kind of job for entire life. I want to retire early. There are people or even students now who are right now 22, 25 years of age. You can retire at 40 years. Please understand. I will give you a way where you can retire in 40 years. So it means you're 25 now. By you turn 40, you can retire. You can do whatever you want. You want to explore the world. You want to travel the world. Somebody wants to make a career in music. Somebody wants to make a career in arts. After 40, you can do whatever you want because you have taken care of your financial freedom. And that's where we are now focusing on. Let's see. First and the most important thing is inflation. And many people do not understand what is inflation. Okay, so let me give you a simple example. I don't want to get into the jargon or definition of inflation. If you remember toothpaste, okay, I don't know, everybody wouldn't have born in 85, maybe around 90 or 95. That time toothpaste used to cost 5 rupees. Okay, now toothpaste is 50 rupees and now it has gone to 120 rupees or so. So what has happened? That 5 rupee toothpaste has become 125 rupees. If you see milk, which was 4 rupees a liter, has become 80 rupees, 60 rupees or 80 rupees. And it will keep on increasing. It will not come down. Please understand. In next 10 years, it will become 180 rupees a liter. Now, many people feel that how can it become 180 rupees per liter? Are you mad? But you go back and see 20 years, what has happened? 4 has become 80 rupees, 60 rupees, 40 rupees. Okay. So what you have to understand that it can keep going higher. Okay. So that's very, very important to understand what is inflation. I'm not going into textbooks. I'm telling you the real fact, taking the data, understanding in simple sense what is inflation. Inflation means whatever you are buying today, tomorrow with that same value, you cannot buy. You need more money to buy. Okay, that's why it's called inflation. The cost of living goes higher. Same way sugar has gone higher, petrol has gone higher, electricity unit, whatever you're paying electricity bill 20 years ago, 25 years ago has gone higher. So anything, I'll tell you more about MBA because since we are from that education background. So MBA used to cost like 10,000, 8,000, 5,000. Now MBA is costing 3.5 lakh, 5 lakh, 10 lakh, good institutes, 20 lakhs also. So what I'm trying to say is everything will increase. So if I want to retire from now, let's say I'm 25, I turn 40, I want to retire. Okay, fine. But if you want to retire, you need to understand whatever lifestyle I am living now, You cannot buy the same lifestyle when you're turning 40. You have to pay more. That means I have to earn more. If I have to earn more, how will I retire at 40? That means I have to earn more so that from 40 to 60 also it can be taken care of. And that's where the stock market comes into picture. Okay, so why that stock market is important is because it will help us when our lifestyle will remain same. The cost of living will go higher. I can still bear the burden. So if toothpaste is not 5 rupees anymore, if it is 50 rupees or if it is 100 rupees, if milk is not 4 rupees anymore, if it is 50 rupees or 40 rupees, I can still buy them. Okay. Now those who are not able to earn, they will not be able to survive. So what will happen? They will earn, they will spend, they will earn, they will spend, because they are not earning more than what they are spending. Okay. And that is where their entire rat race will continue. They will keep doing job till they turn 60. Why they have to do job till they turn 60? Because they have not understood there is something called as inflation. Or you can say in simple word, महंगाई. Okay, so in Hindi we say महंगाई बढ़ रही है. So महंगाई का मतलब यही है. और जब तक आप महंगाई नहीं समझ सकते हो, please understand, you will never understand how can I retire. If you ask many people, they say I will retire at 60, but they don't know how much when they turn 60 they require money. They don't know that. Okay, so that's where inflation is very, very important. This is the guy who makes stock market very, very important for us, because in stock market you can earn more than your lifestyle. So if your lifestyle goes from year to year, in stock market your earnings will go here. So you are still able to balance your lifestyle with excess of earnings, and that's where we are interested in stock market. Okay, let's go ahead. So this is also very, very important. The same thing over here, as I said, value of money. So in 1960, 100 rupees was also a very good amount. In 1980, if somebody had 1000 rupees as savings or 1000 rupees in their pocket, was very good amount. In 2000, 10,000 was decent. So middle class family income, 10,000 was good amount. In 2020, that means current juncture, if you want to live a good, decent lifestyle, you need 1 lakh rupees. So many people can also survive in 25,000, 50,000. I agree. But I am talking about general janta. I am not talking about tier 3 place, tier 2 place, tier 1 place. In tier 1, 1 lakh, nothing happens. You need at least 1.5 lakh. You have to pay home rent. You have to buy a house. So all that savings and everything comes into picture. So here you have to understand that please try to give a thought to this. 1000 rupees has become 1 lakh rupees. The money that you need, try to understand that this is over here is 10 times it is increasing. So 1000 became 10,000, 10 times. 10,000 becoming 1 lakh is again 10 times. So my question to you is, when you say that I will retire at the age of 40, 45 or 50, that means you're talking about 20 years from now, 30 years from now. That means 1 lakh rupees at the current juncture, you need minimum. Okay, if you try to do now the math, 10 times of 1 lakh is 10 lakh to 15 lakh rupees you require to spend in entire year to just survive. Forget about living lavishly, having a big house, having a car, taking care of our children's marriage, everything other liabilities which you'll have. It's a big task. Okay, so I hope you understood what is inflation. As I said, I didn't want to bring the definition of inflation, so I made this simple analysis that things will become expensive. And we have to take care. If I want to retire, I have to beat this rise by 3-fold, 5-fold, then only I can retire. Otherwise, I cannot retire. That means I have to do my 9 to 5 job starting from age of 25 till I turn 60. And that's where the problem is. Everybody in this country, almost, you can say 93% of people are doing 9 to 5 job just to survive. Please understand. There are only handful of 10% or more or less 8% who are well sufficient in their life. Okay, and they can retire early or they can retire at the right time with equal amount of corpus with them. So that's what we want to beat. So let's understand why to invest in stock market. So this is one of the reasons. Now, this is another reason. So we have understood we have to invest in stock market. We have to earn more. Lifestyle income is required, which will increase more. Now this Ram and Sham. Okay, there is Ram, Sham, and there is another guy called as Ghanshyam. So his name is not over here. We'll talk about him later, right? Let's understand what is Ram and Sham doing over here. Now, let's say you are 25 years of age. Obviously, you will not start earning big time. And let's say you turn 30. So till you turn 30, you've done your MBA, you've started getting your paychecks, and you are at 30. When you are at 30, you want to retire at 60. So 30 plus 30 is how much? 60. Okay, and then you have started investing at the age of 30. I am investing every month only 1,000 rupees. I'm not asking you more. I assume that when you are even now 25 years of age, you can invest 1,000 rupees. So getting 1,000 rupees is not difficult to invest. You can invest more, 3,000, 5,000, very good. So idea is very clear that 1,000 we can invest. What I'm trying to make you understand, this guy is 30 and this guy is 45. This is 30, this guy is 45. Shyam starts investing when he is at 45. So he realizes that, oh my God, I have to invest because the inflation is going up and I'm not able to catch up my breath. I have to need more money because I want to retire at 60. So he starts investing at 45. 15 years are remaining. So in 15 years, he will turn 60. In 30, you start investing, he will also turn. So both of them are turning 60. Please understand. But Ram at 30 started investing only 1,000 rupees. Okay, only 1,000 rupees he invested. And this guy, he started at 45 late, but he invested double amount. So instead of 1,000, I am investing 2,000. So in investing double your investment, just see what will happen. By the time he turns 60, he turns 60, both of them has invested 3,60,000. Now, how did I get 3,60,000? 1,000 I invest every month. For entire year is 12,000. If I invest that for 30 years, so 12,000 into 30 is 3,60,000. Same way, 2,000 into 12 into 15 will give you 3,60,000. So both of them have invested same amount. Please understand. But see the difference now. The amount earned by Ram over here is 15 lakhs. And the amount earned by Shyam is 7 lakhs. He doubled his investment over here. But at the end goal, okay, he is not Sachin Tendulkar or Virat Kohli. He is the middle rung batsman who has never earned a lot of centuries. He is making only 7 lakh compared to 15 lakh. So Ram has made 15 lakh. This guy has only made 7 lakh. Both are 60 years. And more important is, over here, he has invested 1,000. This guy invested twice his amount. Please understand. But still, he is not able to get 15 lakh. So what do we get as a takeaway message from here, from Ram and Shyam? I want to become Ram. Okay, I don't want to be Shyam. I want to become Ram. In case of Ram, what is Ram doing? Ram is investing a small amount at the early age. So if you are 25, as I said, you can do any job you want. Okay, you can become a plumber, you can become a gardener, you can do any part-time job. And I don't think getting 1,000 rupees, 2,000 rupees, 5,000 rupees in a month is difficult. Let's say you are educated, okay, because you have done your graduation or post-graduation. You can even take tuitions of 10th standard or 7th standard or 1st standard. Or I am trying to tell you that earn 2,000, 3,000, 5,000, that I want to retire early. So I will earn and I'll start investing in stock market. And I want to be early. I don't want to be Shyam. I want to be Ram. And I will tell you, don't be Ram, don't be Shyam, be Ghanshyam. Now what is Ghanshyam? Ghanshyam means I'm investing early like Ram. I don't want to become Shyam, so I want to become Ram. But along with Ram, I told you some more thing, that whenever people say do not invest in stock market, what I need to do, invest more. So if I'm investing 1,000, 1,000, 1,000 every month, suddenly market falls down. Everybody says don't invest, don't invest, don't invest. What I need to do? Start investing 2,000, 2,000, 2,000 every month. Double your investment when everybody says do not invest. This way you will become Ghanshyam. So you are not only Ram, plus you have put some mind that if there is volatility and if people are against stock market, at that point I have to put more money. So instead of 1,000, I will put 2,000 when the market crashes down. You will be amazed. If you do that small change, okay, of becoming Ghanshyam, this 15 lakh rupees will become 40 lakh rupees. Okay, you can make 40, 50 lakh rupees just by small amount of 1,000 rupees to 2,000 rupees. Try to understand. If you do this with 5,000 rupees or 10,000 rupees, getting 3 crore, 5 crore at the age when you are 60, okay, is very, very simple. You do not even have to think twice. You just need to stay on course and keep focusing on the same goal at 60. If you want to retire at 40, invest more. Why 1,000? Invest 10,000. Why 10,000? If you are earning more, okay, invest 15,000, invest 30,000. So you can increase your corpus of investment. This slide of becoming Ghanshyam, okay, is for every individual. I do not see even my clerk, even my watchman, okay, whoever is in touch with me, trust me, they invest 1,000 rupees. Okay, so they come to me that my daughter marriage is there. Obviously, they come from villages, and then they say my daughter marriage is there, my this is there, my that is there. I say, see, I don't know what is there. I don't know how much you earn. You have to give me 1,000 rupees per month. You have to give this to the market. And they are so happy now. In the Corona fall also, I said, आपके पास कोई भी savings है क्या? So many of them said, yes, हमारे पास FD है, ये है, वो है. I said, आपके पास 2 लाख का FD है, आप 1 लाख का रुपया लो और you put it in market. Why? Because I told them the right time to put in the market. When everybody is saying don't invest, I told them please invest. So it's their hard-earned money, but they invest or channelize in the correct sense. Today, they are able to retire rather than working till 60 years. They are able to retire at 50. Some have bought houses in the villages. Some have created a good corpus for their children's wedding or education and stuff like that. So all I'm trying to tell you is it's not difficult. Okay, small piece of education is needed, agreed. But along with that education, you need to have the goal in your mind. If you do not have a goal in the mind, trust me, you cannot make big money. Big money is not made easily. Okay, it looks easy, but when you start doing application of that, it is not very easy. See, on the slide, it looks very easy. I'm also sitting over here. I'm trying to tell you that, see, this much amount you can make, but you have to wait for 30 years. 30 years is not a small span of time. 20 years, 30 years, even 15 years is a big chunk of time. But if you start focusing only on that goal, trust me, big amount of money can be made. Okay, so this was the idea, and I keep telling everybody, don't be Ram, don't be Sham, be Ghanshyam. Okay, so the most important is don't be Ram, don't be Sham, be Ghanshyam. Okay, so this is the same thing. If I invest 1 lakh rupees at 15%, that 1 lakh over the period of 20 years will become 16 lakhs. I think I have already told you on the chart I have made that 1 lakh became almost 8 lakh, then 16 lakh, and so on. So it's the same story over here. So 1 lakh in 20 years and 25 years can become 16 to 32 lakhs. Please understand. So if you come to stock market, your 1 lakh can grow to 16 to 30 lakhs. Okay. So the idea over here is what? Waiting period is long. Okay. So you want small or you want big, that you have to decide. Jaldi chahiye ya zyada chahiye, right? I have a favorite question which I ask everybody. Tumko jaldi chahiye ki zyada chahiye? You cannot get both. Now many people say humko both chahiye. Matlab jaldi bhi chahiye, zyada bhi chahiye. That does not happen. So jaldi or zyada nahi milega. But if you have time by your side, that's why I'm telling you, you are 25 years of age. Okay, you have time by your side. So when you have time by your side, please understand, you have good runway of growth. That means if I'm 25, I'm ready to give 25 years till I turn 50, and I'll keep investing. So 1 lakh will become 32 lakhs. Please understand. It's not a small amount. Okay. If you put 10 lakh, it can become how much? 3.5 crore when you turn 50. And I don't feel that investing 10 lakh rupees over a period of 25 years will be difficult task. Okay. So you can keep investing as much as you want when you grow. Okay. Obviously, when we grow, we earn more, we want to invest more. And if you can invest more, not only sticking to 1 lakh rupees, I want to invest like, let's say 10 lakh, 20 lakh, 30 lakh rupees. You can convert it into 3 crore, 5 crore, 10 crore. People do not believe, can 10 crore, can I get 10 crore? Yes, you can get 10 crore. It's very simple. The problem is waiting period is 25 years. That's what people do not want to wait for. Okay, I've got one question in the chat box. I think it's by just to name Professor Sandeep. Which stocks are best to invest? Okay, so that's also a very good question. I was just going to come now. The next point is, okay, I've understood market, how it performs. I've understood inflation. I need to start early. I need to be Ghanshyam, not Ram, not Sham. And now I've also understood that 1 lakh can become 30 lakhs. But I have to have time by my side. if you realize this at the age of 40, what will happen? You do not have time by yourself, right? So don't start late, start early. And even if you start with small amount, it will become huge. Okay, so over a period of time, it will become huge. So idea over here is you are at the right point. All you need to get little bit of education, get channelized all your energy in investing in stock market at the correct way and at the correct time. What will happen over a period of time? You will create a good corpus for yourself for retirement. Okay, so one way to invest in stock market, as I said, is mutual funds. You can just do SIP in mutual fund and you can start investing in stock market. Other way to invest is you should observe around you. Okay, and by observing around you, you can invest in best stocks available in stock market. Now let me understand how. Tell me, have you heard of Britannia or not? So let's now make this session more interactive. Till now I have explained you all the concepts. Can you tell me, what does Britannia do? Anybody in the chat box, you can put your answers. And now this will be a very interesting part. What does Britannia do? I don't feel all the people who are attending the session, they're roughly around more than 50 people. What do you think? What does Britannia do? Food products? No, not food products. I want very specific answer. What does Britannia do? Moment I hear Britannia, moment I hear Parle-G, moment I hear the biscuit name, it becomes very, very relevant. Britannia does biscuit. Okay, as simple as that. Britannia is into biscuit. Now, what you can understand is in 10 years, okay, so let's say 10 years back, if you would have invested in 2008 or 10, over here, 10,000 rupees is becoming 1.3 lakh rupees. So when you're eating Britannia biscuit, okay, you can understand the kind of money that can be made by investing in Britannia shares. So 10,000 rupees can become 1.3 lakh rupees, okay, or even 10 lakh rupees is not 1.3 lakh rupees is not bad. If you put 1 lakh rupees, it will become 13 lakh rupees. Second is, have you heard of Emami? What does Emami do? Any idea what does Emami do? So I need answers. You can put them in the chat box. I am checking out the chat box. So what does Emami do? Have you heard of this company? Yes, consumer products. You can say oil is one of the flagship product of Emami. So he has also given you that much amount of return. So what is happening? 13 times return can be made if you invest in Britannia, if you invest in Emami, if you invest in HDFC Bank, which you have seen it in last 20 years around you, 15 years around you, you know HDFC Bank, it has given 10,000 has become 70,000 rupees in matter of 10 years. I'm talking about 10 years. Hero Motocorp, everybody knows motorbikes, 10,000 has become 50,000. Maruti Suzuki, everybody knows about auto, that's like Maruti, 10,000 has become 60,000. Asian Paint, 10,000 has become 1.8 lakhs, means 18 times. Pidilite, everybody has heard. Fevicol, 10,000 has become 14 times, 1.4 lakh. Eicher Motor, 10,000 has become 7.5 lakhs. Any idea what does Eicher Motor make? Any idea? Anybody has heard of Eicher Motor? What do they make? Anyone? What does Eicher Motor make? Yes, it's basically Royal Enfield, the bike, the higher end bikes. 10,000 has become 7.5 lakh. Please understand, that's huge. Hawkins, everybody, those who see in their house, in the kitchen, Hawkins pressure cooker. The pressure cooker also can give you 10,000 rupees becoming 2.8 lakh rupees, which is huge. Shree Cement, 10,000 becoming 1.5 lakh rupees. So what I'm trying to achieve over here is to tell you that if you invest in good quality companies like Britannia, Emami, HDFC Bank, Maruti, Hero Motocorp, you are getting 5 times, 10 times, 13 times return over here. Just see Asian Paint, Pidilite, Eicher Motor, Hawkins. These are known companies which are around you. If you invest in those kind of companies, you can get 10 times, 15 times return over a period of 10 years, would say. So one way to invest is investing in stock market via mutual fund. Other way to invest is by investing in these kind of quality companies, right? The names which we have placed over here. Now, these are all old story. Now, if I invest in Britannia now, I can get 13 times returns. No. So we need to find new Britannia. We need to find new HDFC Bank. We need to find new Maruti Suzuki. So what do I do now is, if you go to our website, okay, so this is our website and this is tradingcampus.in. I'll just share the link in the chat box. So later if you want, and we'll also share it in the WhatsApp group so you can explore more. So what I'm trying to tell you is, which are the new heroes who can give me this kind of returns. So what we have done on Trading Campus, if you go, there is a section called as emerging leaders. Okay, these are the new upcoming leaders and the complete list. Now there are 7,000 stocks which are listed on stock market. You cannot study all 7,000 stocks. So what we have done for you, out of those 7,000 stocks, we have got 120 stocks for you. Okay, so out of 7,000, we have 120 stocks. That's like very, very narrow range of stocks that you have. And now these are the companies that you have to focus on. So these companies which are there, you can get all the details of these companies. Okay, so any company like TVS Motor, for example, or DMart, I know everybody knows DMart. So all the unique companies are basically placed over here. Okay, this entire list is of unique companies. It is completely free. You do not have to pay anything. Kindly use this information to best of your use if you want to study about companies. These are the new heroes for next 10 years, next 15 years, like how we saw Britannia, Asian Paint, and so on. So it's completely free. You can visit the site, you can go through this. For example, I want to understand DMart, click on DMart. If you know about the company, you can do their study, you can read what is DMart, okay, or you can read what is TVS Motor. So the good part over here is you can understand each of this company. They are given all the details over here, the company information, what does he do, and this is all the valuation part. If you are well versed with financial uh, background, like for example balance sheet, income statement and all, you have all these ratios, multiplication, multipliers, growth numbers are placed over here, so you can basically explore. All I'm trying to do is, first step what you should do is take the company. Okay, take the company over here. If you see all these companies are there, you should know each of these companies, what do they do. Forget about anything else. If I ask you Dixon Technology, what do they do? So you just click on this. There is a note which is written what this company does. So kindly explore this so that you come to know which kind of companies are there. Okay, and you can basically explore these companies and you can see whether you can invest in those companies or not. So those who want to do their own investment, they want to do research, they want to understand the best quality companies, we already have the list over here. Okay, so you can explore that and all the information is given. So you can see whether you want to invest in those companies or not. So this was the basic idea. And those who do not understand anything about the company, who just want to invest in stock market, there is a simple way to invest in stock market by buying Nifty ETF. So what do you mean by Nifty ETF? Okay, so here if you see, it's called exchange traded fund. So you can go and buy the Nifty ETF. Okay, and there are various guys who give Nifty ETF by Edelweiss, by ICICI, by Kotak. So you can buy them. Okay, like if you want to invest 1,000 rupees in Nifty, okay, ETF means Nifty. I want to buy Nifty, but only of 1,000 rupees, only of 5,000 rupees, only of 3,000 rupees. So you can buy this ETF. Okay, this ETF is available like a stock, like how I buy a stock, buy 1 share of Asian Paint, 5 share of Asian Paint. Like this, you can buy this ETF. ETF means I'm buying the index, Nifty itself. Okay, so whoever is your broker, you can speak to him, and there are a lot of material which is written over here. So we also have free articles which are there, which you can explore. So here if you see, under this we have explained mutual fund ETF in greater detail. So those who want to understand, so this is all sample things which we have written over here, which is also having a lot of educational essence. So those who are very new, they want to deep dive into market, everything is available, it's free. You can read and you can explore. And in free courses also, we have different courses over here. So free courses you can explore first, which will give you the bedrock of what are the key information over here. And as somebody had asked, from where will I get good quality stocks? The list is present in the emerging leader over here, right? So I hope the session was good enough to make you understand that why stock market is important, why trading, why investing, and how we can combine both. If you have trading knowledge, how to see the chart, how to see the flow, and then how to invest heavily into the market. Now the last point, where to invest and how to invest. I said Nifty ETF is one of the way to invest. Second, you can buy 10, 12 companies which are good quality companies into your portfolio and keep investing in them for 10 years, 15 years down the line. So that's where we have the emerging leader list for you. You can explore that as well. Okay. So thank you very much for joining for this session and being patient and listening to me. Now we can open the floor for Q&A. So you can put all your questions in the Q&A or chat box, and we'll give about a minute, and then we can answer all the questions. So whatever questions you have, you can place it in the chat box itself. So thank you very much, and thank you for giving the opportunity or the platform to serve you. I hope you have got some insight about stock market. Do not fear stock market. Try to understand what is good part of stock market. Try to focus on that for a longer term, and eventually you will win. Okay. So financial freedom is everybody's goal. It is not yours or mine. It is everybody's goal, and we should crack it. Okay. That should be our end goal. So thank you very much again for joining the session. So we'll wait for a minute for people to put into their questions in the Q&A in the chat box, and then we can start.